Hi my friends, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today I have brought you a pocket scale that can be measured 0.01 gram uh, scale. This scale is used to measure gold, gems and medical medicines such like small quantity of scales. Mainly this scale is used in gem industry to measure weight of gems in carat and other unit. I had brought this proofs in an online store, right? This is the what it comes on. It's about 1,200, 2,100 rupees. This is the pocket scale comes in such a way. This scale has several varieties on it. It has maximum. It depends on the maximum capacity it can measure. This scale is about 500. Maximum capacity is 500 gram. There are same scale from 1 kilogram to 15 grams measuring as maximum capacity. Uh, because of my experience and my works, I brought a 500 gram maximum capacity scale. It's been about 2,500 rupees. This is how it comes on. When you know unboxing, it has two batteries on built on batteries. This is a China made scale. It is mainly used suitable for measure gems, jewelries, gold, silver. If you have coins and other things, this is a useful scale to have in your home and your day-to-day works. You can measure your bracelet and if you have necklaces, rings, you can measure the weight of the gold using this scale. Right, it has user manual mentions in this way in the inside. Explaining how to use this use scale. In the back side, it is mentioning all the data in China. If you want to, translation method, you can use the Google Lens to get take a photo and translate it. From it, you can take the information as mentioned in this China's language. And also, it said the what how to operate the operations and uh, tray waiting, how to measure weight the tray and continue counting functions, how it mentions also the and calculation will be in another language. Such a way it has mentioned it also mentioned the specifications. It has calibrate auto calibration method is included this one. uh, Tray range, tray full capacity, tray range and full capacity, auto off in 13 seconds. This is the scales comes out. You have the battery sockets in the back side. It is 3A battery. You can use 3A batteries for this one. Triple A batteries, 3A those triple A batteries. Mainly, I has mentioned that this had several unit measurement in abilities. It has uh, grams, carats, ounce, grains, tails, as such a way. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 scale unit as available in this scale. If you are going to buy, if you want to, mainly if you are in gem industry, you can use this scale to measure uh, gem weights and other things. When I put the batteries, the scales came to on that seconds. To start with, I had to turn off and on again this scale to set it to 0. We have a protective door like that. You have to shut off the scale, then you have to on. You can have you have a display, LCD display with a green light on it, and it measures 500 gram to 0.01 gram. And then through this scale you can see the measurement of this my watch. I had unboxes and add you an review video about Prodgo video, the Prodgo watch brand. It is also came from China. So most of the products that in Sri Lanka there are so cheaper products comes from China. Some are good and some has quality product with them. And you can see there are it has the ounce, tail, carat and grain units on that one. You can see the difference when you're switching from one to another scale measurement unit. Not the scale is measurement unit. As I mentioned, if you are a gem business, you can off the display light such a way. If you don't need that light, if you're using it in night time, it is better to on the light. You are in gem industry, you should have to have a pocket scale with you all the time when you are going to the market. So it is better to have this type of gem measuring scale, and it is giving mostly accurate scales. If you are going to measure some weight, you have to put this scale on a level desk to measure the weight. If you put it in out position, the shaped uneven surface, the scale will give some error readings. This is a moonstone I had in my hand, rough moonstone. It have a little sign on it, somewhat to dark. You can see it has weight of 7.3 grams. Now let's see what the carat weight of it. It says 36.5 carat on this moonstone. As such a way, where the stones you find in the day-to-day life, you can measure using this one. If you have jewelries and necklaces, rings, such a way you can weight it using this scale for the 0.01 gram. You can see this is the moonstone I mentioned. It has a little sign on it, but somewhat dark, but it is suitably good for a ring and other way. You know, Sri Lanka is, I'm recording this video from Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka is a gem country. It's always have gems on every part of its country. Most of the parts it has gems. Right, this is on off method, and you can see gram is also there, ounce is also there. These are the measurement unit it has. Ounce, tail, carat and grain are there. You can measure using any measurement such a way. This is the video for the unboxing video and review of this video, and I think this information will be helpful to you if you are going to buy a pocket scale for your works or day-to-day life. And I think this will be helpful. Thank you for being with me. If you are has some knowledge out of this video, please add me a subscribe. Thanks for being with me. Thank you.